Welcome to EarnSide. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 completely free AI tools that can actually help you make money online without needing any skills, experience, or investment. Starting with one of the most powerful tools available for free, ChatGPT by OpenAI. ChatGPT is like having a virtual assistant who can write articles, create business ideas, answer questions, and even write YouTube scripts like the one you're listening to right now. And here's the best part, the GPT 3.5 version is totally free. No subscription, no credit card. Just sign up at chat.openai.com and start using it right away. So, how can you make money with it? Let's break it down. Freelance writing, go to Fiverr or Upwork and offer blog writing services. Use ChatGPT to generate 1,000 word blogs in minutes. YouTube script writing, many YouTubers hire writers to create their scripts. You can do that using AI. Answering questions on Quora or Reddit, drive traffic to affiliate links by writing smart, helpful answers using ChatGPT. Ebook creation, write an ebook on how to lose weight, and ChatGPT gives you full chapters instantly. Social media captions or quotes, build an Instagram page, generate viral captions, and grow followers, then monetize. And if you're worried about originality, just ask ChatGPT to rephrase or rewrite the same text in different tones or formats. With a little creativity and consistency, ChatGPT can become your personal money-making assistant, working for you 24/7. Next up is Canva, a free design tool that's perfect for beginners. With Canva, you can create logos, Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails, and business cards, all using ready-made templates. Want to make money with Canva? Start offering design services on Fiverr or sell your designs on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. And yes, Canva has a powerful free plan, so no need to pay for premium unless you want extra features. Step number 3 is Clipchamp by Microsoft, a free video editor with powerful AI tools built in. You can add auto-generated captions, convert text into voiceovers, and enhance audio automatically, all without watermark or subscription. It's great for creating YouTube videos, training clips, narration-based content, or even TikToks, and allowed for commercial use in the free plan. Next up at number 4, meet Copy.ai, a powerful AI writing assistant that's actually free and beginner-friendly. If you struggle with writing emails, blog intros, product descriptions, or ad copy, this tool is built for you. Getting started is simple. Head over to Copy.ai, sign up with the free plan, no credit card needed, and you'll instantly get access to tons of pre-built templates. Let's say you want to create a blog outline. Just select the Blog Ideas tool, type your topic, and boom, Copy.ai generates unique, ready-to-use text in seconds. You can edit the results, copy them, or regenerate if you need more variations. The free plan gives you 2,000 words per month, and yes, commercial use is allowed. Whether you're creating content for clients or building a side hustle, Copy.ai saves time, boosts productivity, and it's totally free to start. Next up is Piclumen, a free AI image generator that's surprisingly generous. With the basic plan, you get 10 resets per day, and can create up to 2 images per request. That means if you're creating product mockups, thumbnails, or even digital posters, Piclumen gives you plenty to start with. You can save up to 500 images, go back to your 30-day history, and best of all, use all generated content commercially, with no hidden catches. Just type your prompt, or choose from example styles, and you'll get sharp, watermark-free AI images. It even includes editing tools right inside the platform. For beginners looking for free, no-strings-attached image generation, Piclumen is definitely a hidden gem. All 5 tools I covered today are linked below in the description. Try them out and let me know which one worked best for you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs it. See you in the next one.